They say the sewers are just pipes and rats, but the blueprints scream of something with teeth made of iron and hunger made of steam.
I told Kale the sewers were a graveyard for old tech, but the sound echoing up the shaft isn't a ghost, it's an engine warming up.
Down here, the air tastes like rust and regret, and the shadows move with a mechanical heartbeat. The silence broke not with a roar, but with the scream of pressurized steam tearing through the dark.
Kale always said the bigger they are, the harder they fall, but this beast has gears that refuse to strip.
We retreated into the maintenance shafts where the gears of the city grind together, hoping the beast was too large to follow.
The Undercity is a labyrinth of forgotten valves and broken promises.
Then we used the labyrinth.
Agreed, watch that gauge.
Vex spotted the flaw in the machine's armor, a pressure relief valve built for flesh, not iron.
We needed bait, and the only thing this monster loves more than meat is the hum of a live ether current.
The water started vibrating before we heard it, a sure sign the hydraulic heart was pumping close by.
It burst through the water like a nightmare forged in a boiler room, all brass and fury. Kale drew its attention with a flash of gunpowder, the only language this beast seems to understand. The plan was simple: overcharge the beast's intake valves and watch the pressure blow its mind. The beast screamed, a sound of grinding metal and biological agony as the overload hit its system. I saw the armor plate buckle, the perfect triangle of exposed gear where a heart should be. The trigger pull felt like dropping an anchor, heavy and final. It didn't die, it just wound down, a clockwork toy with a broken mainspring sinking into the muck. The adrenaline faded, leaving only the cold damp of the sewer and the weight of survival.
Kale searched the kill for a trophy, but I only wanted the data core from its skull.
The data core pulsed with a sickly light, a mechanical heart removed from its cage. We climbed toward the surface, leaving the iron corpse to the rust and the rats. The city above didn't care about the monster below, it just wanted its steam pressure restored. The Baron's men were waiting, silhouettes against the steam vents, demanding the heart we stole. Kale didn't negotiate, he simply let his harpoon gun do the talking for the last time tonight. We scrambled up the fire escape, rust flaking off under our hands, chasing the sky. The rooftop was an island of calm above the chaos, the perfect place to catch our breath.